compete against the commission cutters? Anyone have any suggestions or ideas?
Quality service.
They say the same thing.
No, I was just going to say that, you know, Elite encourages us to pay ourselves more when you have the listing. After all, you're doing a lot of work for your client who's paying
You can
you.
co-op less than 3%.
And, yeah. No, but co-op less than 3%.
Right.
And I've been doing it, and
They still
I
sell them,
deserve
don't
it.
they?
Yep.
Yep, there you go. I like that
You guys
idea
just
too.
have to be more tough and be more skilled and defend yourselves. I mean, as a company, you have somebody service, yes, absolutely. Okay, so when a seller says, well, we do it for less, so well, you look at all the great stuff that you get, and you say, well, what would you like me to cut out? And it doesn't matter what they say, you go, that is way too important, we're not doing that. I'm not doing that. And they'll look at it again, they'll go, what about this? No, it's way too important. You do have to get this sold, right?
But
You do want us to protect your equity, correct? And they'll, hey, you have to be stronger at defending yourself. And as a group, you guys all do that, it's going to be so much easier. You can't cave to it.
There's a ton of scripts out there to fight commission cutters, but the one I always used to use when Julie and I sold real estate together was, Mr. Seller, listen, I have a question for you. I appreciate, first of all, you have to offer the seller something that they perceive is the same as the commission cutters. It's called a variable rate commission. You should honestly be doing some form of that because it's an expectation amongst consumers. But I'm telling you, it's the real way you approach this is, Mr. Seller, I have a question for you. What matters more to you? The amount of the check, the size of the check I hand you at closing. You guys go to your own closings here? No, probably? Okay, well.
The title agent.
The check you receive at closing, the size of the check you receive at closing, or the amount of commission I make. What matters more to you? What matters more to you? The check you receive at closing, right? So it doesn't matter how much the commission is that Elite's getting paid. If the check you receive at closing meets or exceeds your expectations, does it really matter? Doesn't.